Hello Bladers! Summer is right around the corner, and as we all know, everyone loves to have fun road trips during summer. Before you hit the road for another adventure, make sure you are fully equipped for the long drive with the awesome accessories you can cop from Blade. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Summer road trip essentials. Number 1. Pioneer DXT1769 UB Complete Car Audio Package. Make your summer road trip more enigmatic with Blade's Pioneer DXT1769 UB Complete Car Audio Package. Conveniently customize your sound system by being able to add more popular apps for navigation, entertainment, and music to your existing mix. You can play audio via USB or its in-class smartphone connectivity. This is the perfect entertainment gear to have in your car in time for your summer travel. Number 2. Type S Deluxe Front Sunshade. Make sure the heat won't fry you when you get back in your car with Blade's Type S Deluxe Front Sunshade. Protect your dashboard and other parts of your car's interior from the damage that can be caused by the sun. This deluxe sunshade can also decrease the temperature of the vehicle during hot season. This feature is a big help in maintaining tolerable temperature of your car when you park it near the beach during your road trip. Number 3. Blade Metal Car Charger Dual USB. Keep your phone's juice powered up while on the road with Blade's Metal Car Charger. You can even share the power with its simultaneous charging capability with 2 charging slots. You don't have to worry to lose your phone's power with its fast charging capability. This is also compatible with Android and iOS devices. You can be updated in the latest trends and tourist destinations as you breeze through the information on the internet while on the road without losing power. Number 4. Sparco Casa Neck Pillow. Be ever ready for the long ride with comfort and style. Cop this Sparco Casa neck pillow from Blade to avoid neck strain during long drives. It is made with memory foam that could mold to the shape of your body and posture fit for optimal alignment. It is also made with breathable perforated materials that will surely provide utmost comfort. So sit back, relax, and rest your neck as you drive through the morning and night for your summer outing. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.